You know how you're the GOAT because you don't need to play 20 years to prove that you are. Okay, bago pa man magkaroon ng GOAT debate, isang pangalan na agad yung pamantayan, si Michael Jordan. Halos 30 years na yung lumipas since nung huli nating nakita yung greatness ni Michael Jordan. Pero bakit hanggang ngayon siya pa rin yung sukatan ng greatness sa basketball? Isang point lang, yung sapatos pa lang, yung pagka-iconic nung sapatos niya na sinusuot ngayon, pang forma, na hanggang ngayon, yung kailangan ko pa ba i-describe kung ano yung Air Jordan na sapatos up to this day? Kaya ba ni LeBron yun? Kaya ba ng Kobe's gawin yun sa mga shoe brands nila, di ba? Hindi, sa mga shoe lines nila, di ba? Hindi nila kayang gawin yun. That alone speaks volumes of how, kung ano yung epekto ni Michael Jordan sa mundo ng basketball and kung paano niya in-impact. I think that speaks greatness. May isa pang sinabi si Stephen A. about MJ is that what LeBron is doing now in terms of accomplishments in his 20-something years, Michael Jordan did in 13 years.